Lot of unknown contacts in a WhatsApp group? Want to save them all at once? Let me show you how to save hours of work with just a click. For instance, I want to save the unknown contacts from the group School Buddies. With InTouch extension installed, you will be able to see this red contact icon. When you click on it, it will show you the count of unknown numbers found in the group. Clicking on Save Now button would save all the unknown contacts in the phone contact book. It can take a few seconds to get updated depending on the number of unknown contacts and your internet speed. Meanwhile, relax as your contacts are automatically saved and backed up on InTouch Cloud. Don't worry, your contact data is safe with us. Your contacts are saved. With InTouch, this task of bulk saving unknown contacts from a group has become really easy and time efficient.